Hi everyone, it's Teresa back with Craving Crochet.
Let me show you something.
Hey everyone, hi, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet, and today is my Vintage Wednesday. Could be Vintage Thursday, could be Vintage Friday. I don't know what day I'm going to put this out on, but this is my vintage project video. I have completed our latest, which was the breakfast jacket, and I'm actually wearing it right now. So if you've been watching my videos and following me, you have seen this beautiful jacket that I posted last week at one point. I think it was last Friday or Thursday, I can't remember. But just to recap, so this was my latest one, the beautiful breakfast jacket. I love the sleeves. I love the color. I love the yarn that I picked. And this is going to be just so nice and toasty in the coming months because we're almost at the end of the summer. So this is my latest one. You can get the free pattern on my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link below in the description. And then my first one was the Juliet dress over there. And then I did the pocket shawl with sleeve. The shawl with pocket and sleeve. I can always forget the names of these things. And then I did the crochet pebble pattern set for a baby girl. A little dress. I made the booties. The soaker I found turned out really huge. So oh, it's starting to rain up there. So yeah, so that's where we're at, I believe. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. But there was something else that we did. Possibly not. If there is, I'll insert it in here somewhere. Sometimes I just can't remember things. But anyways, I'm just coming out here to let you know that we are done all our projects at the moment. And just wondering if there's anything in particular that you are interested in. Did you want more clothing, women's clothing? Do you want children's clothing? Do you want a blanket? Household items? I've got all kinds of patterns. So let me know what you're interested in, and then we can work on our next crochet along vintage pattern. So let me know. Leave me a comment, like the video, share it. If there's anything that you like that you've seen pictures of and you just can't find the pattern, just send it to me. I may have it. I'll try and get it for you. If I don't, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, I'm doing a giveaway. I've reached 2K, so I'm doing a giveaway. So if you would, if you want to join, if you want to be part of my giveaway, if you want to get a chance of winning some great prizes, let me know. I'm going to leave the link here in the video below, but I'm also trying to raise money for a friend. That's the whole idea of the 2K. So it was 2K for me, 2K for her. So 2K meaning money. So she's somebody that is very much in need of some financial help. She is a single mom escaping out of a very not good relationship with domestic violence and dispute. So she needs help. She's got a large family, and she's just trying to raise her kids in a loving environment away from, violence and, instability. She wants her children to be in a good and stable environment. So if you could help out, that would be wonderful. So again, I'll leave the link below for that. And I'm also doing a crochet along with Darla, Crafty Yarn Owl. We created a top. And so she did half, I did the other half. I'll leave the 2 links, because one is mine, one is hers. And we're giving away prizes. So if you want to take part in that, we would love that. So that's it. That's my video for today for Vintage Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't know what day it's going to be. I'll let you know. I'll put a little tagline here at the bottom. So anyways, thank you so much for joining again, and we will be back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.